Good morning. It's a bright, sunny Friday morning. The wind has actually calmed down a bit now and we can feel the warmth in the sun. It's delicious. But we have a busy day. Yet another busy day. God, we're supposed to be retired, you know. Well, it didn't start out a busy day. It started out that we were just going to help one of our subscribers who has got his keys to his new property yesterday. We were going to go and meet him and help him get an IBC up to his land because he's only here for a short visit and he's in a hire car. So that was fine, just the one job. And then we thought, once we actually found out where it was, we thought, well, Jacques, who did our landscaping, he lives quite near this subscriber, and he has said that anytime we're over there with the truck, we can go and fill the truck up with some really good horse manure. So we messaged Jacques this morning. He said, yeah, no problem at all. Come when you're ready, it'll be fine. So we were slowly meandering, getting ourselves ready, and then another friend, Andreas and Guidra, that we've been fishing with, messaged and said, we're going to our land today, do you want to come up and have a cup of tea? And surprisingly, they're all three in the same vicinity, so it's become quite a busy day now. So we thought we would bring you along and you can just sort of see what we're doing and have a laugh at our efforts to get an IBC into the back of the truck and out again and fill it full of horse poo. So come on with us and let's see how the day unfolds. So what I'm doing at the moment is just trying to pack up some food to take with us because we're not sure where we're going to be and when we're going to be able to have anything to eat. So I've got Max's food, just going to wrap that up there now. Luckily we have a big bowl of leftover pasta from tea yesterday and some bread, got some water. We visited a friend yesterday who has a house in our village, but her main house is in Castellabranco, so she invited us there to go and have a coffee and sort of see her house and her chickens. And then she took us off to her horta, which is a couple of kilometres outside of Castellabranco, and we ended up with oranges and lettuce and leeks and a big bag of lemons. I'm going to have to share those. And a bottle of Jarapiga, one of Darren's favourites. So, oh yes, we also got some of these. Let me show you these. These were on a tree just inside her chicken run, and she called it a tomatillo, something, and it does taste very tomatoey. I think it might be a tomatillo. It was on a tree, like a full-on proper tree, and they were green and then the ripe ones were red, and they are full of seeds and they taste very tomatoey, slightly acidic, but very nice. So she gave us a handful of the ripe ones, and I'm going to try and save the seeds and plant those on the land. So, oh yes, we got a big load of herbs as well, and she literally was just pulling the, what have we got here? We've got marjoram, and I think this one is thyme. It smells like thyme. So she was pulling it out of the ground with the roots and everything, so I can try and replant that up on the land and have some lovely fresh herbs. But lovely, the sun's just coming through into the kitchen now, and yeah, the sun's just coming into the kitchen now and hitting the herbs, and all the aromatics are just starting to come up and flow. So, but we need to get the truck packed and we need to get away because we have to meet up in Alcanes with the gentleman that needs the IBC.
Hope they've got some IBCs. So here we are at Nanta, or Barata and Omeos again, picking up a IBC for Graham. They've got 2 in stock at the moment, which is a little less than they had last time we were here. Last time we were here they had about 8 or 10, about a week or so ago. So they're definitely in high demand, these IBC water containers. However, there is quite a smart one there with a lid on, and looks like quite a smart clean one actually, so we're going to try and pick up that for him, get that in the back of the truck if we can. That'd be really cool.
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 Obrigada. You get little laughs, don't you? We've just dropped off the IBC for Graham on his land, so had a good look round. He's got a lovely piece of land, probably a hectare in size. He said it was sort of an L shape.
Yeah.
An L shape. Lovely mature olive trees and some fruit trees. A really dry agricultural building.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, so he can make good use of that for storage and stuff. And his well was very full, so he said he's never seen it full. Obviously he's never seen all of the rain that we've had. So I think it was a lovely, lovely piece of land. And the view that I got of it was over to Monsanto, which has an absolutely idyllic view. So a lovely piece of land there.
Yeah.
And now we're off to Jacques to go and get some horse poo. Yeah.
We are.
We are, because we need the horse poo for the
Pumpkin bed.
pumpkin patch. Yeah. So we need some horse poo for the pumpkin patch. And while we're this far over and away from where we live, we might as well go. So it's about 30-40 minutes over to Jacques and get the manure.
smell like poo.
So you're just going to take it down a bit now. Done.
So good?
Yeah, so we've dropped off an IBC, we've picked up some poop. I'm starving hungry because it's about 2:30. So I think we eat our pasta en route to Andreas and Deirdre.
Yeah, definitely.
And,
yeah.
desperate for a cup of tea.
Yes, get the cups of teas on, guys.
Where's it coming? What time of the morning is it now, Darren?
Why are you focusing on the time of the morning?
Because it's early doors again, isn't it?
It's not too early doors, but it is a little bit. Just about nearly 9 o'clock, 8:45.
Yeah.
On a Saturday morning, and we're off out on a fishing trip.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one's where we're going today is about 40 minutes from our home. So yeah, so we're on our way. Morning everyone. So today is the next day. We got back a little late last night. We did go to Andreas and Deirdre's, but we just didn't feel like filming because it was quite late in the day. It had been quite a long day by that point. So today's Saturday morning and we're meeting with them again and we're off fishing. And yeah, so we're on our way now. It's around about 9 o'clock in the morning, so not too early. Andreas and Deirdre are probably already there. So yeah, we'll get ourselves off and do a spot of fishing and take you with us.
Do you know where we're going today?
No.
I think it's on the Ponsul River.
On the Ponsul River? Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Cool.
And part of that river borders us between Portugal and Spain.
Nice.
But I don't think we're actually on the border. We're just...
No, we're not far from here. About 40 minutes from here. So yeah.
Yeah. Let's get going then.
Let's go. So it's been a beautiful day fishing on the river. We haven't caught anything, but I think we're going to call it a day now and start packing up. I've just put my last cast in now, and hopefully we might get something. There's always that hope that we could. Over and above that, nevertheless, it's still been a beautiful day. But we will call it a day and yeah, get ourselves back.
Well, fishing today was a bit of a bust. Nothing was caught. Did you even get a bite?
Maybe one at the beginning of the day.
Possible bite.
Yeah.
But it was warm and it was sunny and it was a nice day out with friends. So, seeing as we didn't catch anything, what we thought we would do is bring a bit of the leftover ground bait down and feed it to the fish that we put in to the pond after the last fishing trip.
Yeah. So we caught about 7 crucian carp on our last fishing trip, and we let them in the pond here. And
so we're just going to feed that into them, give them a good snack, and then our day will be done.
Yeah, and we'll call it a day for this video then. Yep. So, thank you very much for coming along with us on this busy weekend where we've picked up an IBC, got some manure, and also been fishing. It's been a lovely weekend.
I'm ready for a day off.
Yes, so tomorrow's Sunday, and I think it's a day off day tomorrow, definitely, yeah.
Yeah.
So thanks very much for joining us, and we'll see you on
the next one. Take care, everyone.
Take care. Bye-bye.
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 Food away. That's a bit. Yeah. There's quite a lot in there.
Yeah.